Speaking of higher quality products, pumpkin spice latte. How does that sound right now? Yummy to a lot of you. Well, Starbucks is bringing this popular fall drink back early this year. In fact, you can get it starting tomorrow if you know what to ask for. So there's a trick. There's a special way that you have to place your order. This is all part of that secret menu stuff. To find out how to order it, there is an official Starbucks Twitter feed dedicated to pumpkin spice lattes. Yes, there is. That's happening. We've posted it on our page at abc15.com/thenowaz. If you get your drink early, by the way, tweet us, Facebook us. We want to see those pictures. We're going to get you on the air. Amber, you like those?